Ooh. Be careful. There's a ditch right there. So,
You're getting so close to it. You're making me nervous.
I know, right? You're gonna get hurt, sis. I'm gonna have these for a while.
You're getting really close to that edge.
Yeah, get away from there.
Yeah. The shot quad's heavy, a little bit heavy. That looks perfect.
Keep it going. Go in a circle.
Well, stop doing that, man. It's getting dizzy. I know, right? Go faster. No. You got flew off.
You don't have to go fast.
Yeah. I'm not downloading no more stuff on my phone.
Should we do a donut competition?
A donut?
Oh! You suck.
He's got ball. Well, I can't believe this is still hot. You know what? Next time, I'm gonna buy one of those.
Well, that's what I told her. I had a little conversation with her in the car about how she complains when she's at home that we don't do anything, but when we do go out and do something, mommy doesn't get to have fun because she doesn't want to do it. Mommy just has to sit back with her.
You got a lighter, Lori?
Reminds me of me when I was her age.
Real nice. Real nice. And then you say,
Find it and then
Oh! He's got ball. I can tell.
I think I scared him. But I always take shit. I'm fine.
I already got it.
Oh yeah, bro? Oh yeah? Watch me. Always been like this? Just fucking back and forth? Woo!
Go, 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 go. Go.
Drive that quad back.
I know, Mark would just take off. Like, oh man, I'm stuck. You know what? I can tell when we move. I can tell Mark's gonna take off when we move to our new house, Dad. Why?
You're not even doing anything. You're not even doing anything.
I am.
They didn't like fucking smoked your ass on those.
Not even.
Hey,
Way more
We
sideways.
fucked your shit up over there. You suck.
Michelangelo's are frozen.
there we go. Oh, I missed that. Hey, what are you doing in the puddle? Get out of the water, dude. Well, he is, not you. Hey, you stay out of the water, dude. Now your boots all yucky and mucky. Yeah. Don't do that, buddy. What the heck? Oh, I thought that was my dirt bike. I had no batteries in that thing.
Some hot breath, that's all that come out.
Here you go.
You know what? This is like a perfect camping spot, like right here. That looks like a perfect camping spot for us. Super slippery. I can tell that's gonna be a perfect camping spot. He's gonna fall. Oh. Ugh. It's way, that's way too cold, Emery. Way too cold. Can't believe. No. 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 Amory, Catherine. No. Too slippery. Oh, that's a pretty doggy. Right. What are you doing, buddy? What the freak? Oh. Kyler! Hey, you gotta slip, Emery.
No, not for a
Hey, the donut. Oh.
Don't cross this line.
Yeah?
Emery, don't go that far, babe.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Okay. Yeah, be careful, baby girl. I don't want you to get hurt. Ugh. You can slip. And you gotta watch where you're stepping, too. Be careful. Dude, this is like deep snow right here. Where I'm stepping at. Yeah, baby feet. Yeah, baby feet. Uncle got big feet. Hey, Emery. You know how many people have been watching your soccer game? A lot of people been watching your soccer game on video. That's good. So you might see like all this writing because I'm gonna update this when we go home. Hey, don't play with that. That's yucky.
And your mom wants to go for your hat.
Uh-oh.
Find your hat.
There he is. Yep, he is eating a bottle. Drinking his milk. That's cool. Got it in the nuts. Did she got you? Yeah.
Put a ball in your head. You better stand up. Put a ball in your head. Use your jacket.
Here, bud.
Oh,
I got you, sister, dude. Don't get me. I'm holding my phone. Okay.
Be your sister.
Oh.
You can't play.
Get a sister. They can't hit you. You can't hit them.
I'm not.
I want one. The guy that did it on my shirt.
Here.
He's right now.
Go, Emery, go.
Go,
Want me to make you one?
I don't have one.
Okay. I'll use my bare hands. Oh my god, this is solid. That's cold. Alright, no more for me. Ah, that's cold. Uncle's hand is cold. Ugh. Dude, he's like chasing his sister. Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
I'm waiting.
Snowball.
I got 2 locked and loaded. Okay.
Go, go, go.
Get off the loop. Get up. Get up.
I got you the food.
That's not my booty.
Right in the butt.
Oh, I meant to get your jacket. Sorry.
I'm gonna go there, man.
Did you get me in the butt or what? I'm not ready yet. I'm gonna make some. Here. Let's make a couple snowballs. So you find a spot and make your final snowballs. Here, brother. Save it. Don't use it yet.
Oh.
Save it. Hold it. Don't use it yet.
What is that? Oh, not that.
No, save it. Put it down. We're gonna save it.
Oh, that's kind
No, don't hit me. I'm gonna shoot. Save it. Put it down and save it. Yeah, not to make you no more.
of.
No, this is mine. Go make your own. You threw one at me.
Yeah? Yeah. You know what? I got me a good idea. Me. I know what I'm gonna grab.
How many are you making? So you can make all these and throw them in Uncle Luke. What do you think? Cheater!
Hey, my
Cheater,
freaking
pumpkin
fingers
cheater.
are getting cold.
You're a man.
So, I know.
Men don't get cold.
Whatever. Goes all the frost to my nails. all day.
What are you doing? You're just wasting a snowball.
So,
But you have to make a lot more.
oh, let's go.
You suck.
How the heck that's
Uncle Lucas, look how many we got.
yeah, I see that.
You don't only know, right? Look, they make them so big that we can make a lot of them.
No.
How you doing over there, Luke? How many you got?
Two.
Oh my god, I ran out like 25.
I see that.
We're gonna mess him up, huh, Em? Perfect.
Yeah, you two will.
Because we have more than you.
Yep.
Okay, the game starts in 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes.
You better hurry up, Sam. That's real.
Hurry up.
He doesn't have a lot.
Eat this. And also, I better listen to that. If you guys have a logo and you guys run out, you go to the
Oh.
So you want to look some of our snowballs? We have some. Give him. My ass is frozen. My poop is gonna come out solid like ice cream. Come out like old ice cream. My ass cheek is so cold.
You know, I'm still recording. It's okay. I can cut it out. I can
Hey,
do
your
that.
nose wiped?
What?
Did you get your nose wiped?
Yeah.
Good job.
One more snowball, okay?
Okay, got a lot, babe.
Fun.
Want to tell mommy to come over? Tyler?
wasn't ready. My skin's still cold. Yeah, I'm still recording. Alright, good. What?
These teams suck. He's the one and we're team on. Team one and team off. Uncle, look.
What?
Uncle, look.
Why?
You have like 8 snowballs.
Oh,
You
duh.
pushed me, Pop. I'm not helping make. Now these are all my snowballs. Then there's a card. That's me. I'm your team. Hey, what the hell is this? That's a tiny snowball.
Dude, I think this is going down fast. Alright.
My fingers are frozen.
My hands are frozen. I don't want to throw it too hard to you, Anne-Marie.
Oh, fuck, that's cold. Don't let me. Hold on. You go get that. You wasted that for
It's already gone. How are you going to see it?
Oh, you asshole.
Oh, you're so good. Oh, ow! Oh! Ow! Yeah, you can't get close.
She can't. She's little.
There we go. Alright, yeah. I'm oh, man. Ah! Miss me.
No. Get up.
Oh.
Emery, get the snowballs and stone because they're not melting.
Let's go. I gotta make a deal.
Get up. Get up. Run.
Yeah, like, oh, no. Ah, that hurts.
Oh.
Ah,
Run, Teddy.
dude, that's cold. Oh, that's so cold. Oh, my nipples. Oh my god, it's cold. It's so cold.
Get up.
Ah.
Hold on.
I can't punch no more. My hands are full.
Let's wait for him to make more, okay? Oh, you're making big ones over there.
Am I? Now I'm making it smaller.
Wait, pause. Emery, I need more.
Okay. Putting them up here for you to get them.
Okay, bring them over here. Bring them over here. Bring the ones over here, baby. We can stack our pile. Luke, better hurry up. All right, let's go. We have to. We're gonna be leaving.
Yeah, we're gonna leave.
There's 3 more.
Want to come join our snowball fight?
We're getting ready to go.
Well, we have snowball fight to do.
Last one. I'm not the slut.
Run! Yeah! Hey, you're getting too close to us.
I don't need to. You're lucky, Emery. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
We're almost done.
Almost yep. Oh, I can't see. Dang, why did my eye go? Why run?
Ah!
I'm not.
Did you get him? We gotta ride the butt. Emery, watch out!
I can't get up.
Yeah, do the big one. Emery's got one more.
And it's the giant.
Get him, Em. Bomb him.
Oh, not in first, not in first.
On top of the head.
Yeah. There we go. Got you.
Good job, Emery. We won.
There. All done. Oh. 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 I almost got her. Alright, time to go, Emery. I know.
It's getting late. Look, sunset's going down. Oh. Ugh. Hi, Maverick. Is that everything? Yep.
He didn't burp. That's okay. We're gonna puke all over you.
Oh no.
We taking both of them? I don't hear that. They were assholes on the way here.
So cold. Oh, dude, this thing is frost.
Yeah, my phone's frozen.
Is it really? You dropped it?
No, it's cold.
Oh, I was like, oh
We
no.
fucked you up in that snowball fight.
Yeah, I know.
I got you right in the titty.
Ow. Now my freaking nipple's gonna turn red. Dang.
You wanna join the party? Can we go down?
Oh, hi.
Oh no, my phone's gonna die now.
Life of the party over here.
Alright.
Said I have arrived. I'm here.
Yeah, my brick.
Sounds like a bottle. Take your your jacket off then.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
Ooh, my hands are cold.
Go get him!
Get him, Maverick. Get your dad.
Get him! Come here, Daddy. Go get him.
I love
Little
my
man.
dad.
Oh, you're so cute, boy. You're so cute, Maverick.
Have you met this one? Dad, 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 dad.
There we go. I got that recorded. Let's go. Maverick.
Bear,
Uh-oh.
get out of the seat. Sit down.
You got a giant baby. Alright, I'm going to stop recording because
I heard.
my phone's about to die.
I got him. Lucas, come here.
What?
I got him right here.
Fuck, it's cold. I can feel it. Oh, oh, my ears. Ah,
Oh,
it's cold.
We had like 25 snowballs. We had like 80.
Yeah, because you guys fell out super fast. Hey, I got your
They're
leg.
about it.
Alright.